coming to Athens and want to eat like a local? Then this small group food tour is something you should absolutely know about. I'm Chrysoula, a local here in Athens, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to expect, from what you're going to eat to the hidden gems you're going to visit, so you can decide if this is right for you.
And if you want to do the same tour, I will leave a link to it in the description below. We started our morning in Monastery Square. The city was slowly waking up. The smell of fresh bread and Greek coffee in the air, the Acropolis glowing in the early light. That's where we met our guide, a proud Athenian with a deep love for food and storytelling. From there, we stepped straight into the heart of Athens' food scene. Our first stop was at a well-loved local bakery, one of those busy spots where Athenians line up in the morning for something warm and comforting. This is where we dived into the world of Greek pies, and let me tell you, there is more variety than most people expect. We tried 3 kinds: spanakopita, filled with spinach, herbs and just the right amount of feta; bougatsa with cheese, creamy, slightly salty and perfectly wrapped in crisp layers of filo; and my personal favorite, bougatsa with custard, sweet, soft and sprinkled with powdered sugar and cinnamon. While we enjoyed our pies, we could actually see the bakers working the dough right behind the counter. No back kitchen or secrets, just expert hands rolling out paper-thin filo, stretching it across the table like silk. Watching that process added so much appreciation to what we were eating. Next, we stopped at an old-fashioned cafenio, one of those traditional Greek coffee houses that feel like they've frozen in time. This kind with marble tables, wooden chairs and regulars who've probably been coming for decades. Here we experienced Greek coffee the way it was meant to be made, brewed slowly in hot sand or chovoli, which gives it a rich, deep flavor and that signature layer of foam on top. It's a ritual, not just a drink. With our coffee, we were served a piece of loukoumi, the chewy, rose-scented sweet known in English as Turkish delight. And to balance the bitterness of the coffee, we also tasted creamy Greek yogurt topped with a spoon sweet, a traditional preserve often made from fruits like sour cherry or orange peel. Sweet, tangy and full of old-world flavor. Then we headed into one of the liveliest and most authentic places in Athens, the Varvacio Sagora, the city's central food market. It's loud, it's raw and it's full of life. If you want to feel the pulse of the city, this is where you go. We walked first through the meat and fish market, not for the squeamish, but absolutely fascinating. Butchers were calling out offers, fresh fish glistened on ice, and locals were doing their daily shopping like they've done here for generations. From there, we wandered into the section with spices, herbs and nuts. The smells were incredible: oregano, cinnamon, mountain tea, and the vendors were friendly and generous. We even got to sample roasted pistachios straight from Aegina Island. Next, we passed through the fruit and vegetable stalls, overflowing with seasonal produce. Everything was bright, fresh and arranged like art. Before we left the market, we made a quick stop to buy a small selection of olives, which we'd get to taste later during the sit-down meal. That little detail made it feel even more interactive, like we were curating our own tasting experience. After all the walking, smells and tastings, it was time to sit down, relax and bring everything together. Our guide led us to a cozy little taverna, the kind of place that doesn't need a sign out front because locals already know it. We gathered around the table and one dish after another started to arrive, a true Greek meze spread. There was a classic Greek salad, of course. Then came golden fried calamari, grilled sardines packed with flavor and kolokythokeftedes, zucchini fritters, tzatziki and many more. There was also saganaki, fried cheese with that perfect salty crunch, slices of grilled country sausage and warm bread to soak everything up. We also had a glass of local wine and ouzo to toast the experience. It was the perfect way to slow down connect with the group and enjoy the flavors of Athens all in one meal. One of our tastiest stops was at a specialty shop focused on two of Greece's most iconic products, olive oil and honey. We got to sample different types of extra virgin olive oil while learning how to spot real quality and what makes Greek olive oil so prized around the world. Then came the honey tasting. We tried rich golden spoonfuls, each one bursting with natural flavor. It was a great way to understand how deeply tied these ingredients are to Greek land and tradition. Just around the corner from the honey shop, we made a quick stop to try something truly homemade, Dolmaaka, or vine leaves stuffed with rice and herbs. These were made fresh daily at a nearby deli, and you could really taste the difference. Soft, lemony, and full of flavor. A small bite, but a memorable one. And yes, we still had a few more stops ahead. Of course, no food tour in Athens would be complete without a taste of one of its most iconic street foods, souvlaki or gyros. We stopped at a well-known spot that's popular with locals, where we had the choice between classic pork or chicken souvlaki, grilled skewers served in warm fluffy pita, or gyros made with thinly sliced rotisserie meat, juicy and packed with flavor. Both came loaded with fresh tomatoes, onions, and a generous dollop of tzatziki. It was quick, satisfying, and full of that unmistakable Greek comfort, the kind of street food that always hits the spot, whether it's your first time in Athens or your 10th. We ended the tour on a high note with loukoumades, Greece's beloved bite-sized donuts. Alongside the traditional honey and cinnamon version, we also tried some fun modern twists, topped with white chocolate, praline, and crushed nuts. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, the perfect sweet finish. This tour includes everything, all the food and drinks, a local guide, and stops at places you probably wouldn't find on your own. It's more than just eating, it's a deep dive into Athens culture through its flavors. Just a tip, come hungry, wear comfortable shoes, and bring your curiosity. You will taste a lot and walk a bit too.
So we just finished our food tour. It was very good and our guide was really nice. It gives you the real taste of Athens, and it's not just the food, but the culture behind it as well. So if you want to experience Greece through its flavors, this is a perfect way to start.
If you want to take the exact same tour, you will find a link in the description below.
I hope you found this video very helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Greece travel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.